y'all doing? Hey. And thank y'all for letting me be here tonight. You know, there's nothing better than air tipping and hanging out with airplanes and get the chance to do a little picking too. So thank y'all for being here tonight. The cool thing is, it's although I'm from down towards Cookeville, which we live in a little town called Liberty, Tennessee. You don't know how great it is to have such a great airport. I mean, I'm telling you what, it ain't everywhere. You can get a P-51 and a DC-3 and a T-6 all lined up behind you for a show. So you got a pretty cool guy, I know, that Rob, that runs this airport. Me and him become great buddies over the years, and like you got fans, buddy. But anyway, it's a pleasure to be here, and I'm thankful. I appreciate your support of this airport. There are a lot of things going on here tonight that you need to be aware of and you need to be in support of, because as we were walking around today and we were talking, you know, it is so important that we remind these young children coming up that airplanes and flying machines like that helicopter back there have done a lot of things for the freedom of this country, and I'm not sure that all of them realize that and understand it. But you know, by your support of that, it really makes a difference. And once again, I just thank you for being here. So enough of my yipping yapping, let's play, boys. We're kicking it off with the one that kicked my career off back in 1990, a little tune called "You Gotta Stand for Something." Like trouble if it came along. Everyone knew him inside the home. He never was a hero, this county's shining light, but you could always find him standing for what he thought was right. He'd say you got to stand for something or you'll fall for anything. You've got to be your own man, not a puppet on a string. Never compromise with the right, and uphold your family name. Oh, you got to stand for something, or you'll fall for anything. Now we might have been better off around a bigger house if Daddy had done more giving in or a little more backing down. But we always have plenty, just living his advice. Whatever you do today, you'll have to stay with tonight. He'd say you got to stand for something or you'll fall for anything. You've got to be your own man, not a puppet on a string. Never compromise, it's right, and uphold your family name. Stand for something, you fall for anything. Now I know that things are different, they were in Daddy's day, but I still believe what makes a man really hasn't changed. You've got to stand for something or you'll fall for anything. You've got to be your own man, not a puppet on a string.